Is this the device that finally kills the monthly subscription? Welcome back to TechTube TV. Today we're doing a deep dive into the SuperBox S7 Max review. This is the 2026 flagship, and if you've been looking for the best Android TV box for live TV without the monthly fees, you've probably seen this one pop up. In this video, we're going to cover everything from the Android 12 interface to the massive hardware upgrades. And yes, we're even running a malware check to see if it's safe. If you find this guide helpful, consider sticking around by hitting that subscribe button. It keeps us independent. Also, I've tracked down a verified purchase link with a $50 discount code in the description below and the pinned comment. Let's get into it. This is the product box for SuperBox S7 Max with the product image in front and some features mentioned on the side. First impressions matter, so let's open this box and see what we get. The unboxing experience is standard SuperBox, simple and easy. You get the metallic blue S7 Max unit, the upgraded voice command remote, a high-speed HDMI cable, the new USB-C power adapter, and a user manual. First impression? This thing feels solid. The weight tells you there's actual cooling inside, not just empty plastic. Physically, the SuperBox S7 Max keeps that signature blue look with metal casing. On the back, we have a huge win, a 1000 megabits per second Gigabit Ethernet port. SuperBox now comes with a USB-C charging port. There are IR, AV, HDMI port, and SBDIF digital audio. For wireless users, we've got dual-band Wi-Fi 6 antennas, which can be adjusted to get the best possible Wi-Fi signal. Around the sides, you'll find USB 3.0 for your external hard drives, a Type-C data port, and a microSD card slot. The front LED display is crisp, showing the time and connection status without being too distracting. Setting this up is a plug-and-play dream. Connect the HDMI output to a display, connect and turn on power. SuperBox S7 Max does not have the streaming or entertainment apps pre-installed. It is up to the users to get needed apps from app stores. To proceed, click Agree. Here, you can choose to connect via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. I'm connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Once connected, click Next. Use the remote control up or down arrow keys to adjust and fit the screen display. Then click Finish. Once you boot into Android 12, you're met with the brand new 2026 user interface or user experience. It's faster, darker, and much more intuitive than the S6. Similar to its other SuperBoxes, S7 Max has a standard, easy-to-use and practical interface. There are large tile-like icons for live TV, VOD, playback, browser, App Store, and apps. It comes pre-installed with Google Chrome browser. Under Apps, you will find all the installed apps. These media and entertainment apps are not pre-installed on this box, and there are a few easy steps to get them up and running in this box. This plus button allows you to add multiple shortcuts to any installed apps. At the bottom are shortcut icons to Settings, File Manager, One-Click System Optimizer, Browser-Based Internet Speed Test, App Uninstall Function, Remote Control Pairing for voice control, Set App Shortcuts for number keys on the remote, and SuperBox Customer Support. The remote works out of the box via infrared. Select this option here to pair the remote control using Bluetooth. Follow the on-screen instructions to get the pairing done. Now let's look at SuperBox S7 Max hardware specifications. It comes with 4 GB RAM. The internal storage capacity is 64 GB. The CPU is an Allwinner H618 with a 4-core processor. Bluetooth Low Energy is supported in this device. For graphics, the GPU is ARM Mali G31. It supports the OpenGL 3.2 standard and Vulkan API for 3D graphics and computing. The installed Android is version 12 with API level 31. SuperBox is now pushing regular OTA over-the-air updates. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Just go to System Update in your settings. This ensures your Blue TV and Blue VOD apps stay current with the latest features and security patches. A lot of people ask, do I need a VPN? While the box works fine without one, I always recommend a VPN for SuperBox to prevent ISP throttling. Since this runs on Android 12, you can install Bitdefender VPN directly from the Google Play Store to keep your streaming private. For unlimited VPN, I have provided a link for you in video description and comment. We don't take the manufacturer's word for it. We ran a virus scan and a deep malware check on the S7 Max firmware. Our unit came back clean with 0 threats detected. This is a legitimate, official device. Just make sure you use the link below to avoid those clone boxes that often carry bloatware. Google Play Store is available for SuperBox S7 Max, and you can get a lot of Android apps. As you can see, there's a wide variety of app selection that you can install and use covering entertainment, music, games, and many more. Due to YouTube guidelines, I can't show you how to get or install the Android box streaming apps, but I will explore the apps as part of my product testing process. Please comply with the law and regulations of your country when it comes to content access or use. I have installed the usual SuperBox apps, the Live Blue TV, Blue VOD, Playback and Backup TV. Similar to my previous review video, the S7 Max comes with additional third-party streaming apps that includes live TV channels, movies, and TV shows. This is the Blue TV app, listing more than 2,000 live TV channels. It has a dark mode interface, and I quite like it. You can browse the channels list and select to watch. If you navigate to the left, you will see the TV channels categories. You can browse the categories to see the channels under them. Some of the categories here are sports networks, NBA, MLB, NFL, NCAF, Big Ten+, MLS, NCAB, NHL, ESPN+, WNBA, and Supersport. While on this screen, pressing the OK button on the remote will make it full screen mode. Long pressing the OK button adds or removes a TV channel from the favorite list. While watching a TV channel, you can press the I button on the remote for the button's functions reference. The multiple TV channels that I tested generally had smooth video playback. Some initial buffering may occur, otherwise streaming is good. The Blue VOD app is where you get movies and TV shows, and it is also in dark mode. At the top, it has tabs called Recommended, Newest, Movies, TV Series, and Settings. And the bottom has buttons for History, Favorite, and Search. On the Movies tab page, you get options to search and navigate movies through 26 genres. All genres here shows page 1 of 1,498 and displays 10 movies per page. Movies can be filtered using genre, country, or year. On the left are movies category navigation based on streaming platform services. When you expand a service, it further expands into genre selection, making it easier to find movies. All the movie playback that I've tested is good and in high quality. The TV series tab page has similar layout and options as the movies page. Here you get options to search and navigate movies through 29 genres. All genres here shows page 1 of 393 and displays 10 movies per page. TV series can be filtered using genre, country, or year. The Blue Playback app has a list of channels where you can find past 7 days of shows. If you missed any live TV shows, this is where you can come back to catch up on programs. Although there are more than 2,000 live TV channels, the playback feature is currently available for 86 TV channels. The Backup TV app acts as an alternative to all the previous apps that we have seen so far. There are live TV channels, movies, and TV series available with the same app features, but with a different interface. This app is useful if the main apps experience any issue. Blue Sport app has more than 1,000 TV channels. It has network TV, regional locals, and sports channels. The interface is similar to Blue TV. These gray icons are third-party streaming apps that can be installed for additional streaming options. Combined, they provide a lot more choices for live TV, movies, and TV shows, but I did find issues with some channels buffering. These apps are not supported by SuperBox and are provided as extra options. DRM, or Digital Rights Management, is a way of protecting contents from piracy. To stream and play full HD or 4K quality videos from services like Netflix, Disney+, or Prime Video, the device needs to have DRM security level L1. SuperBox S7 Max is certified for Widevine L3, which limits to SD quality videos from those protected services. If you need Netflix, Disney+, Paramount+, or other video streaming accounts, you can get them at a discounted rate at this website. There are also many other subscriptions at discounted prices. Check out the link in the comment or description to enjoy the discounted prices. Now let's test playing a 4K video and see the playback performance of the S7 Max. This is a 4K video test file, and the video playback seems to be good. Fast forwarding works well too. If you like to watch 4K media, this Android TV box seems to handle it really well. For gaming, it's a solid casual machine. It handles titles like many games with ease. Don't expect it to run high-end PC ports, but for Android gaming, that 4 GB of RAM keeps things smooth. Now for the pros and cons. Let's get real. The pros: no monthly fees, incredible 7-day playback, fast Wi-Fi 6, and very stable firmware. The cons: it's an investment. The price is higher than a generic box. Also, it's not the best choice if your only goal is watching official Netflix in 4K. Final verdict? The SuperBox S7 Max is the most refined streaming experience of 2026. If you want a box that just works and saves you thousands in cable bills over the next few years, this is the one. Don't forget to check the discount link in the description and comments to save $50 on your order. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll try to respond to almost all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.